Hi Anupam sir over here.
हाँ जी.
This is Himesh. Towards your right over here. Sir, you know, recently there is a big controversy which is going on around the potholes in Mumbai. The RJ Malishka, she spoke about it, and then recently BMC slammed a notice on her. So what do you have to say about the entire controversy and the potholes in Mumbai?
Well, I'll have to find out the whole controversy because I just came back day before yesterday. But I think potholes have been going on for the last 35 years that I have been staying here. Every time there is a rain happen, we need to change that. Every action that something like this happens is an initiative towards goodness. You see, we need to change things rather than constantly point out. There's a very wonderful dialogue in the film. If you change nothing, nothing will change.
आप ही का dialogue.
Thank you. मैंने ट्रेलर में देखा नहीं तो मुझे लगा मैं बोल देता हूँ. No, I think if you change. So the point is, my point is that I'm an eternal optimist. I believe in doing things rather than only thinking and pointing out the mistakes. I think this film is a great initiative on that level. This film, I think, if what has happened is today, in few years, we are aware of somebody, if he throws, he gets at least 5-6 dirty looks from people, passers-by. They may not do anything about it, but you are pointed out as a person who is not doing something right. So, yeah, I think that is, let's talk about this film. I think whatever Malishka did, I'm sure she must have done something very interesting and very good also.
Hi, Akshay sir over here. Sir, you know, since Airlift, all your films...
ये इन्होंने अशोक पंडित जी ने एक मुहिम शुरू की. काफ़ी लोग जो अच्छे हैं, रिच सोसाइटीज़ के हैं, उन लोगों को लेकर जुहू बीच हो या चौपाटी हो या जहाँ भी गंदगियाँ होती हैं, तो बड़े लोग भी आए उसमें शामिल हों. क्या आप लोग भी इसमें शामिल हैं और अपना कंट्रीब्यूशन दे रहे हैं? मनोज वाजपेयी वगैरह काफ़ी लोग दे चुके हैं.
मतलब आप सवाल मुझसे पूछें कि क्या मैं उसमें जुड़ा हूँ?
जी,
मैं जुड़ा हूँ. आई थिंक किसी भी एक ऐसे नागरिक का एक कर्तव्य है कि जुड़ा होना. यू मे नॉट सी मी माई फेस ओवर देयर, बट आई एम देयर. I go to gardens. I think the initiative taken by the Juhu residents is unbelievable. हर लोग बोलते हैं possible नहीं है, possible है. I think उन्होंने possible करके दिखाया. But apart from that, I must tell you about my childhood. Now that I'm sitting on this spot, I come from a home where for 19 years we went to a toilet even though it had walls and roof, where 2 ईंटें यहाँ होती थी, 2 ईंटें यहाँ होती थी और नीचे एक ट्रे होती थी. और उस ट्रे में everybody used to go and shit, 10-14 members of the society, of the family. So one has seen all this. One has felt it all this, and one has smelt it also, all this. So one feels for this. It may appear for us a very simple problem, that open defecation. I think there are a lot of ladies over here. Even to go to a toilet, अगर उसकी कुंडी अंदर से ना लगी हो तो आप 2 दोस्तों को बाहर बिठाते हैं. I think you need to think about all the women all over the country who have no possibility of a privacy. It's an assault on privacy also. So I think this is a great idea that all 4 of us are sitting on this. It's a symbol. I think actors' job is also to make people aware of what is happening. And if we succeed in that, I think this film will reach its 500 crores in terms of value and hopefully in terms of money also. I think it's an initiative which an actor like Akshay Kumar has taken over. Usually this kind of a subject is taken over by the art cinema people. This is the first time somebody like him has done it, and I think we should all applaud it for the kind of work that he has done.
Thank you.